Call the axe.
I'll call the axe when you call the dentist.
Call the axe.
Tell me where the children are or I'm gonna kill you.
Very well. I'll just do it myself. What was that?
How are you worthy?
Because I'm Batman.
Eat my hammer!
Axel! You're doing a great job. Don't go anywhere. Bye for all. And gone.
You let him go?
Of course, he's gonna die in a few seconds anyway. It's fine. Let's go. Eternity! Yes? I wish for cancer to no longer exist. Okay.
And so, the day was saved. Cancer was eradicated. Which really didn't affect me, because I'm made of rocks, as you can see. But everyone else was really happy. And Thor and Jane reunited, and then they had their own 2 children. And I don't mean 2 pretend rich crappy ones like that one show. No, these are real babies. And you know what they called them? You guessed it. Love and Thunder. Oh, and there was also like a bunch of Guns N' Roses music. It's pretty good.
Wow.
I know,
I mean,
right?
huzzah!
I know what I would have wished for to disappear.
You have no idea.
So are the goats like always gonna be a thing now? Or what?
What, you don't like my goats?
I am dying. She will have no one. She will be alone.
She won't be alone.
Right. Wait, what?
Thor will take care of her.
Me? You don't know what you're saying. She's talking crazy. Hush, my love. You must rest.
No, it's fine. She'll look just like your own child.
This is all just moving very fast.
It'll be great.
Would you raise my child, Thor? I'm going to cast my wish.
We can go back and save her!
What?
My friend is a Hulk, and he knows time travel. Wish my Jane's cancer away, and we can save you and your child before any of this ever happened. I don't know, man. We can't just keep falling back on this solution. It's a little hard to put time travel back in the box once you've opened it, Banner. Huzzah! Your prayers are answered.
You really don't hear that.
Welcome to Valhalla, Sif's arm.
You look oddly familiar.
Yes, I think so too.